Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing a bubble leaf blower. So this is a leaf blower that blows bubbles. So here you can see it. And here's the back. So it comes with a bubble solution, which is good. And it also says press trigger for 30 seconds to activate bubbles. So to make it work, we'll probably have to do it for 30 seconds. So are you excited, Moss?
Yeah.
Should we open it up now?
Yeah.
And yes, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh no, there's tape, more. Okay, luckily we have scissors. Super gecko muscles, no, super tape muscles. Okay. So now we can pull it out, right? Oh wait, so that's what happens. Okay, now, oh no, there's another one. So here are the bigger scissors, and now we can easily cut it. Right, Moss? Get a little back. You don't want to get cut. And here. And it's cut. So let's just put this on the side. Oh no, the battery fell. So, can you give me the battery, Moss, here? Oh, looks like we also need a screwdriver.
Yeah.
So, Moss, can you quickly go get a screwdriver?
Yeah.
So, let me just quickly put this in. And this should work, right, Moss? And
Open.
ready? So let's see if it makes a noise. It says it makes real noises. So yeah. Okay, so now we should put in the bubbles. Okay, give the bubble. So the thing is, we don't really need to open the whole thing. You just need to put like a hole in the middle, enough for the straw to go in. There. So then it's easier. And then screw it on. Now it looks like there is no bubble thing. So do you want to try, Moss?
No, first you hold it for 30 seconds.
Yeah. Oh!
No,
Do it again, Moss. It actually makes a lot of bubbles.
Now, climb on the sofa and do it anyway.
Do it on me. On top of my head. Oh, wow.
Do down.
Pop, 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 pop. So, this is actually pretty cool. It makes lots of small bubbles, but it looks better than making lots of large bubbles. Right, Moss? Moss, come here. So, let me try it on you, Moss. Ready? So, this is very cool, right, Moss?
Yeah.
So, thank you guys for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Remember to like the video and ring the bell icon. Bye.